Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and sound.
Hey, hello everyone. My name is Alfian,
My name is Loco.
and we're here today at Changi Sailing Club. Changi Sailing Club, right?
Yep.
Okay. So anyway, back in the 80s, this place was very viable for biggies. I mean, like we used to, like, yeah. And we put a picture somewhere here. There. Wherever fits, huh? Anyway, so fast forward 2017, almost 2018. We're trying for the last of the year. Hopefully, we can get biggies. Wish us luck. So, I'll see you on the other side.
To get the biggies, you need to find your own bait. So Shari here is casting net on a live bait. Hopefully we get a bolos, you know, the bolos. Yeah, that one is good for kemajan hunting and pari, of course.
Yeah, and we have one here. So
Safe and sound, 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 safe and sound.
we have one now here, but this one is, I think it's leading. It's leading, not good for biggies. So we release them. We go for another round. Hopefully we get a nice one, good bait, so we can try to catch our biggies. We are trying to aim year-end monster for us. Wish us luck. Alright, look what I get for my second cast of the day. A nice huge crab, bro.
Okay,
This is gonna be a monster for all makan. This how you hold on.
Yes.
Yep. Here's the key for the day.
This is how you hold on to a mud crab. You catch the last legs behind. See that? He cannot reach you. You better don't reach him. Because this thing hurts. It just went through my Dr. Martin boots. Bloody hurts. Yeah. Crabber! Bob the cat. Okay, bye Bob.
Okay, bye. You're very violent. I also scared.
It's been 3 hours. We didn't catch anything except for one grunter. Japun missed
A biggies.
I will show you that later. Logo, anything?
Okay, so from this spot, I think the disadvantage is the yachts behind and the boat. So we can cast that far, you see. So, Yan, are we going?
Most probably we're moving that way, which is the old Comando Jetty. We'll explain it later when we get there. Okay, light is too bright, I can't see you.
Currently we are at our new spot, so we're giving a shot at this place for at least around 2 hours to see what the outcome will be. So stay tuned. 2 hours.
We'll survive.
Saying just now, the Comando Jetty. So this is what's left of it. Just rocks, nothing but rocks. So we have no idea why it's called Comando Jetty. Maybe the commandos used to launch operations from here. We exactly have no idea whatsoever. We just heard from people that it's called Comando Jetty and it's already broken down. So I think this happened was back in the 70s, in the 80s. Now, fast forward 2017, there's nothing.
7 years ago, I used to fish here with my good friend Anip. You can see his face down below.
Anip!
Yeah. One of the co-founders of the Power Anglerz Surfcasting team. We used to fish here. So what happened is, he just bought a rod. Alright? He bought a telescopic rod. Just one cast. Okay. The rod goes short. On for you, Anip.
Nip, that one's for the history books. So yeah, we miss you, bro. Come back. Yeah?
Really, we are here since just now. There's a bite, but the bite isn't so big. See, here the bait will be sotong, means squid or cuttlefish. Yep. Just gonna give another half an hour.
I got nothing to do. half an hour. Nothing. I got crabs.
Okay, currently now Japan is fighting for his biggies. So we will see what he will bring up. So hopefully it's a 2017 biggies for him. Wish him luck. Good luck, coach. Oh, what you have here? Oh,
Very big. Very big.
this is the good one. This is the good one. 2017.
Hey.
This is
Luli.
we come to the end of our episode today. Alright, we are at Changi since 10. Now it's 6:30 AM. Alright, the fish that we caught today will be a grunter, that size, and just a marine catfish, this size. Maybe it's not our luck. Alright.
Aku belum mandi, tak tuntuang, tapi masih kaca, tak tuntuang.
In the Beninging. Asal lampu terang dah ni.
Oh yes, it's supposed to be like that.
Baik masa ada lampu.
It's supposed to be like that. Kata dengan lampu tu kan.
No, tak nampak. Sabar.
In the Beninging.
Sir, please listen properly.
Without flash.
Without flash. Boleh nampak belakang.